Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can view your company data of this project. So let's get started. First, back to VS Code and open company component. So here is your company component, open it. After that, let's open node modules and open this theme admin BSB. Right click on index. So in file explorer, click on index.html and now let's see some tables. So click on this simple table and you can see here it contains some table data. So let's click on this normal tables and here are some data. So let's open this. So let's copy this hover rows. So right click on this inspect and copy this world table row. So copy it. After that, come to VS Code and open your, first close it, then open company component and come here. Let's see where is our row closing. So click on this and you can see here is our row close. So paste your code which I just copy from browser. So Ctrl V and save it. Now let's back to Chrome and you can see, let's refresh this page and you can see it contains table data. So let's change this subtitle. So here come to VS Code and change this to all companies. Let's remove this small. After that, here is one drop down. So let's remove this drop down. We don't need it. So remove it. Save it. Again back to Chrome. And you can see it's perfect. Add company and all companies. So let's change this field name. So first back to PyCharm and open models and here if you see it contains ID, name, license number and address. So let's add this field in our VS Code. So back to VS Code and let's remove this tr first. After that, change the title. So first ID, after that name, after that license number, next is our address, again next is contact, after that email, after that description, after that added on and last is action. Now save it and open API handler and here creating, and also see one more thing which I missed in save company data. Here add a await. So this will wait until our token get updated, then it will call this Ajax method. So here also adding comment, wait until token get updated. Save it. Again creating one more function. So async fetch all company. After that same way await this dot check login. After that where response equal to await execus dot get. Here I am using get method. Also in previous tutorial of Django REST framework I already saw what is the usage of get and what is the usage of post. So when we want to save data or submit data we use post in REST framework, but if we want to fetch some data from database then we can use get method. So here I am fetching company data, that's why I am using get method. Now here passing company URL, so config dot company API URL. After that passing headers, so headers, again authorization. After that bearer, auth handler dot get login token, save it. After that return response, save it. Again back to company component. Now let's call this method. So here adding a method. So here again overriding the method component did mount. So this method will call only when our page is ready, means our data has been loaded in our page. So let's add this comment also. This method work when our page is ready. Now save it and open this method. So here calling the API handler. So where API handler equal to new API handler. After that API handler dot fetch all company. So where company data equal to, now let's print this company data. So console.log company data. Now save it. Again back to Chrome and let's open console, expect console, refresh page, and it shows something error. So let's fix it. So come again here and here adding await, save it, refresh page, and cannot use await outside an async function. So let's do one more thing. Cut this code and creating one more function. So async fetch company data, paste the code and let's call this method. So fetch company data, save it. Now back to Chrome and if you see this page, here it contains some error. Okay, here is one more error. If you see this company component 50 number line, it contains class name. So let's fix this first. So come here and if you see here class equal to, so control C, control R, then class name, replace all. Now save it, close it, again back to Chrome and first error has been gone. Now here is second error. So this error of refresh token generate when our refresh token is not a valid. So when we restart our server, then our refresh token will not work. So do one more thing. When this type of error comes, just log out the user. So come here in VS Code and come to API handler and here our errors come. So and here our errors come. So do one more thing, try. Catch error console.log error. Save it, again back to Chrome, and if you see this, it's showing error in API handler. So this time we are catching our error. So now let's do our main part. So again back to VS Code, and here when this will come, so we need to log out the user. So just call the method auth handler dot logout user, also adding message not using valid token for refresh, and also after that, now also let's redirect the user. So location equal to slash. Now save it. Now let's change this to window dot location. Save it. Now back to Chrome, and if you see this, it's working now. And again login. So admin, and click on sign in, and click on company. And if you see this company component, let's open this, and you can see our company data successfully received. And if I open this, you can see all company data are showing now. So now let's see how you can show this data in our page. So let's come to VS Code. After that, also add a comment. Save it, and it's working. Now come here. So here we need to set this data in our state. So here company data list, change this to array. Save it, and if I try to update the data, let's see this dot set state. After that, company data list, then passing the value. So come to Chrome, and if you see this, it contains data in our data, then data. So company data dot data dot data. So first I will access this data, then I am accessing this data. So save it. So after setting the data, now let's paint this data in our table. So here come again, and let's open this T body. After that, let's this dot state dot company data list dot map. After that, company. So I am accessing the single company data from array. After that, tr, and let's correct this. Save it. After that, now adding td. After that, printing the company ID. So company dot ID, then printing company name. Now let's copy this same line multiple times. So again copying this same line multiple times. Now let's change this field name. So again back to PyCharm, license number. After that, address. After that, contact number. After that, email. After that, description. Now let's remove this. Also, now let's change this to added on. and let's remove this. And here, now here, let's print the button. So button class name equal to button block button warning. Save it. Again back to Chrome, and if you see this, it's showing perfect data in our table. Also let's add button text. So back to VS Code, view, save it, and you can see it's working. So close it now, and if you see this, add company is working, and you can successfully view the company data. So everything is working now. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.